Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Talking.
Hello! We're so happy you're here.
I'm David.
And I'm Olivia.
Today we have a super important topic.
Yes, meeting new friends.
This is something we all do in life.
And it's really important to know how to introduce yourself.
Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Yes, and ring the bell so you don't miss any episodes.
Give us a thumbs up if you want to make new friends.
And share this with your friends who are learning English.
Okay, so, Olivia, do you remember the first time we met?
Oh, yes! It was 3 years ago.
Where did we meet?
At a coffee shop. You asked if you could sit at my table.
Yes, the cafe was so crowded.
And you were so polite. You said, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?"
That's a good way to start a conversation.
Then you introduced yourself.
I said, "Hi, I'm David. Nice to meet you."
And I said, "I'm Olivia. Nice to meet you too."
See? It's very simple.
The most important phrase is, "Nice to meet you."
Let's practice that. Everyone, repeat after me. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Now, when someone says that to you, what do you say?
You say, "Nice to meet you too."
The word "to" is very important.
It means also or as well.
Okay, let's do a role play. I'll be a new person.
Great. I'll start. Hi, I'm David. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. What about you?
I'm from the United States.
Oh, cool.
See? That's how you start.
Very simple and friendly.
Now, what if you didn't hear the person's name?
Good question. You can say, "Sorry, I didn't catch your name."
Or, "Can you repeat that, please?"
It's okay to ask. Don't be shy.
Exactly. People understand.
What if you forget someone's name?
Haha, that happens to me all the time.
Me too. You can say, "I'm sorry, what was your name again?"
People won't be offended.
They know names are hard to remember.
Okay, now let's talk about asking questions.
Yes, when you meet someone new, you want to learn about them.
The first question is always about names.
What's your name? Or, what is your name?
Both are correct.
What's is just a short way to say what is.
In casual conversation, we usually use what's.
How do you answer?
You say, "My name is," or "I'm."
For example, my name is Olivia, or I'm Olivia.
Both are perfect.
Now, what about asking where someone is from?
You say, "Where are you from?"
And you answer, "I'm from," plus the country.
Like, "I'm from Turkey," or "I'm from Japan."
What if someone asks about your city?
You can say, "I'm from Istanbul," or "I live in Istanbul."
There's a small difference.
"I'm from" means that's your hometown.
I live in means that's where you are now.
For example, "I'm from Texas, but I live in New York."
Oh, that's a good example.
Now, let's talk about age.
This is a sensitive topic.
Yes, in some cultures, it's okay to ask about age,
But in other cultures, it's considered rude.
especially asking a woman's age.
That's true.
So, be careful.
But if you want to ask, the question is, how old are you?
And you answer, "I'm years old."
Like, I'm 25 years old, or just, I'm 25.
Both are fine.
Now, a very common question. What do you do?
This means, what is your job?
How do you answer?
You say, I'm and your job.
Like, I'm a teacher, or I'm a doctor.
Notice we use before the job.
What if you're a student?
You say, I'm a student.
And people might ask, what do you study?
You answer, I study, plus your subject.
Like, I study medicine, or I study engineering.
Let's practice all of this.
Okay, you start.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. What about you?
I'm from Brazil. What do you do?
I'm a nurse. And you?
I'm a software engineer.
Oh, cool. That's an interesting job.
Perfect! That's a great conversation.
See how easy it is?
Just ask simple questions and answer politely.
And always smile.
Yes, a smile makes everything better.
Now, what if you want to ask someone's company?
You can say, where do you work?
And you answer, I work at plus the company name.
Like, I work at Google. Or, I work at a hospital.
What if you don't work?
You can say, I'm unemployed. Or, I'm looking for a job.
Or, I'm retired if you're older.
These are all honest answers.
Don't be embarrassed.
Now comes the fun part, talking about hobbies.
Yes, this is my favorite topic.
Hobbies are a great way to connect with people.
You might find you have the same interests.
The question is, what are your hobbies, or what do you like to do?
How do you answer?
You say, I like or I enjoy, plus the activity.
Like, I like reading or I enjoy cooking.
Notice we use the ing form after like and enjoy.
That's important.
What are some common hobbies?
Reading, watching movies, listening to music.
Playing sports, cooking, traveling,
Drawing, painting, photography.
gaming, dancing, singing.
So many options.
Olivia, what are your hobbies?
I love reading. I read every night before bed.
What kind of books?
Mystery and romance novels.
Oh, I don't like romance novels.
What do you like?
I like science fiction and thriller books.
See? We have different tastes.
That's okay. What else do you like?
I enjoy baking. I make cakes and cookies.
Wow, you should bring some to the studio.
Maybe next time. What about you?
I like playing video games.
Of course you do.
What? They're fun!
I know, but you played too much.
Haha, that's true. I also like photography.
Oh, that's a nice hobby.
I take photos of nature and cities.
That's creative.
Now, how do you ask someone about their free time?
You can say, what do you do in your free time?
Or, how do you spend your weekends?
These are great conversation starters.
Let's practice.
Okay.
So, what do you do in your free time?
I like going to the gym. I work out 3 times a week.
Oh, you're very active.
Yes, exercise makes me feel good. What about you?
I like watching Netflix and relaxing.
How so lazy?
I'm not lazy. I just like to relax.
Okay.
Now, what if you want to talk about music?
You can ask, what kind of music do you like?
And you answer with the genre.
Like, I like pop music or I listen to rock music.
What kind of music do you like, Olivia?
I love pop and R&B.
Who's your favorite artist?
Probably Ariana Grande.
She has a great voice.
What about you?
I like alternative rock and indie music.
That's cool. Do you play any instruments?
I play the guitar a little bit.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I'm not very good, just for fun.
That's still impressive.
Thank you. Now let's talk about movies.
Yes, movies are a great topic.
You can ask, what kind of movies do you like?
Or what's your favorite movie?
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies and romantic movies.
You always like romantic things.
Yes. What about you?
I like action movies and sci-fi.
Very typical for guys.
Hey, that's a stereotype.
I'm just kidding.
Let's talk about sports now.
Okay. Do you like sports? Is a common question.
You can answer, yes, I love sports, or not really, I'm not very sporty.
Do you play any sports?
I play basketball sometimes.
I don't play sports, but I like watching.
What sports do you watch?
Tennis. I love watching tennis.
That's interesting. Now, let's talk about family.
This is an important topic when meeting new people.
But be careful. Some people don't like talking about family.
That's true, so ask politely.
You can say, do you have any brothers or sisters?
This is safer than asking directly about parents.
How do you answer?
You say, yes, I have, or no, I'm an only child.
Do you have siblings, Olivia?
Yes, I have one older brother and one younger sister.
Oh, you're the middle child.
Yes, what about you?
I have one younger brother. He's 20 years old.
Are you close with your brother?
Yes, we talk every week.
That's nice. Family is important.
Now, what about pets? That's a fun topic.
Yes, you can ask, do you have pets?
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max, remember?
Oh, yes, the golden retriever.
He's so cute and friendly.
I don't have pets, but I want a cat.
Why don't you get one?
My apartment doesn't allow pets.
Oh, that's too bad.
Now, let's talk about daily routines.
This helps you understand someone's lifestyle.
You can ask, what time do you usually wake up?
Or, are you a morning person or a night owl?
What does night owl mean?
It means someone who likes to stay up late.
Oh, I'm a night owl.
Me too. I don't like waking up early.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 8 or 9 a.m.? What about you?
I wake up at 7 a.m. on weekdays.
That's early.
I have to. I work at 9.
What time do you go to bed?
Usually around midnight.
Same. I can't sleep early.
Now, let's talk about food preferences.
Yes, food is always a good topic.
You can ask, what's your favorite food?
Or, do you like cooking?
What's your favorite food?
Pizza. I love pizza.
Everyone loves pizza.
What about you?
I like sushi.
Oh, Japanese food.
Yes, it's healthy and delicious.
Do you cook often?
Not really. Maybe twice a week.
I cook almost every day.
You're better at cooking than me.
Practice makes perfect.
Now, what about talking about where you live?
You can ask, where do you live? Or what neighborhood are you in?
And you can talk about your home, like, I live in an apartment, or I have a house.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with a roommate.
Is that fun?
Yes, we get along well.
I live alone. I like my privacy.
That's nice too. One last topic. Travel.
Oh, yes. Everyone likes talking about travel.
You can ask, do you like traveling?
Or, what countries have you visited?
Do you like traveling, Olivia?
I love it. I try to travel twice a year.
Where have you been?
I've been to France, Italy, Japan, and Mexico.
Wow, that's impressive.
What about you?
I've been to Canada and Spain.
Nice. Where do you want to go next?
I want to go to Thailand.
Oh, that's on my list too.
Maybe we can go together.
That would be fun.
Okay, everyone, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, we learned how to introduce ourselves.
Hi, I'm, and nice to meet you.
We learned how to ask about names, age, and jobs.
What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do?
We talked about hobbies and interests.
What are your hobbies? What do you like to do?
And we learned about family and lifestyle.
Remember, when you meet someone new, be friendly and smile.
Ask questions and show interest.
Before we finish, it's quiz time.
Yes, let's test what you learned.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel before we start the quiz.
And hit the like button.
Share this with friends who want to improve their English.
Okay, here's the quiz.
Question 1. How do you introduce yourself in English?
Think about it for a moment.
The answer is, Hi, I'm nice to meet you.
Question 2. What do you say when someone asks, where are you from?
The answer is, I'm from country or city.
Question 3. How do you ask about someone's job?
The answer is, what do you do? Or, what's your job?
Question 4. Name 3 hobbies in English.
Possible answers are reading, cooking, playing sports, watching movies, or listening to music.
Question 5. What's the difference between I'm from and I live in?
The answer is, I'm from means your hometown, and I live in means where you are now.
How many did you get right?
Tell us in the comments.
Okay, that's it for today.
We hope this helps you make new friends.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
Try to use these phrases in real life.
Don't be shy. People are usually very friendly.
Leave a comment and tell us, how do you usually meet new friends?
We love reading your stories.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.